Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Taurus at sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your messages. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So Taurus, your messages. Your first card, Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands. I think something happened between you and your person. They're rushing towards you. They're coming back. Knight of Swords. Yeah. But you are in so much pain. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely you are in so much pain. I think it's you. But you overcome that pain and now you become like this. For some. Yeah. You become like this. Taurus. But your person rushing towards you, Knight of Swords. Yeah, you overcome this pain. Something happened. I think your person maybe played games with you. They may be manipulator. They may be telling lies to you. They may be in and out your life. It could be any reason. There's something happened and you're feeling very sad. But you've overcome that pain. Now you become like this. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see some more. So this is general reading, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Tower, yes. Separation, lot of you are in. Five of Swords. Judgment, yeah. Some major decisions you are going to make. I think it's you, Taurus. It's decision time and it's in your hands, okay? But the Tower moment and Five of Swords. Definitely your person may be played games with you. They may be manipulator. I think for some it could be third party also. Definitely some Tower moment for you, because you always there for your person. You always invested in this connection, but your person not. They are in and out your life. They are non-committal. And that's why the separation is happened for some. For some it could be third party also. But you overcome this pain, but you have to take some decision because they are rushing back towards you again. Yeah. And Five of Swords. Definitely there are some disturbances. Yeah. Some fightings between. Let's see some more. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. The Fool. Okay. King of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. So you want to invest your energy and everything into your career. I am getting you are going with the flow. You started something new in your life, or Taurus. Yeah. Now you want to free from yourself from all these things. Okay. And King of Pentacles, definitely your person coming back to offer with long-term stability. Yeah, they're coming back to offer this to you, but now you want to invest your energy into your career, towards your finances and career, but they are rushing towards you. Lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but you are going with the flow. For some, your person want new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Okay, this card Hierophant. Yeah. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, separation. Moon. Yes, there are, I think your person may be hiding something from you a lot. Maybe they are putting in you third party. You don't know about that. Recently you know about that. That's why you are heartbroken and you're feeling some Tower moment. Then you stand by your power. You invest on yourself. You started investing on yourself. Then you become Queen of Wands. Yeah, very good energy. Now your person rushing back towards again, and they're coming back to offer stability and commitment to you, but still there are some illusions, some fighting, some misunderstandings between both of you. Yeah. Five of Pentacles, cold showering. I think your person may not give importance to you when you want, but when you walked away, now they're coming back. Okay. You are not giving any attention to your person right now. That's why they are feeling like. So they're coming back. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces could be. Yeah. But You are going with the flow. You stand by your power, but decision is in your hands, Taurus, because the judgment is here. Yeah, it's up to you to give second chance or not. It totally up to you. Up to you. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What is going? 2 cards. So first we will see your person current feelings. Five of Pentacles 2 times. Okay. 2 Queen of Wands. Lot of cards. I'm not. Okay. 10 of Wands. I think they are feeling overburdened. Definitely, they're feeling this pain. Cold showering. 5 of Pentacles. They're feeling that you are not giving any attention to them right now. They're feeling that you stand by your power, but they are feeling overburdened this time. When they are thinking about you right now, they are feeling overburdened. Yeah, for some it could be their job reason, whatever. Definitely your person right now feeling overburdened. They are feeling the separation between both of you, but they are also feeling that you stand by your power. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Okay, 8 of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. Wow. 4 of Wands. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. They want celebration with you, communication, and they want to work on this relationship. This time they are very serious. Taurus, yeah, they're coming back with the solid offer, stable offer, because 8 of Pentacles is very slow moving energy, but it is stable offer. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. This time your person is very, very serious. Okay. And they want to express their feelings to you. In past they may be not expressive, and they are not express they may be not express their feelings to you, but now they want to express their feelings. 8 of Wands. Back and forth communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. And 4 of Wands, definitely you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. They want this celebration with you and this marriage with you. Yeah, they want to commit to you this time. They are very serious. I am getting this time they are very serious, and they are feeling the pain, the separation pain between both of you. For some you are in separation, for some you are in no contact or less contact situation. Yeah, when you both started talking, definitely some disputes are going to be resolved. Okay. Yeah, communication. Definitely communication is the key here. Your person really want to work on this relationship. I am getting this time your person sincere. Yeah, they are very sincere this time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Queen of Cups. 5 of Swords. Knight of Wands. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming back, but their energy is very slow because 8 of Pentacles is also slow moving energy. Yes, they have strong emotions for you. Definitely there are still some disputes between both of you. 5 of Swords 2 times. First, when you started talking together, definitely the disputes will going to be resolved. Okay, I think communication is the key. You both have to communicate politely, because some harsh communication leading to separation also sometimes. So Knight of Wands and Knight of Pentacles, definitely this time they are sincere, because Knight of Pentacles is sincere offer. They are coming back with the sincere offer. And Knight of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. Taurus, your person is very passionate about you. They have strong emotions for you. Yeah, still you both have some issues between both of you, but that will be those issues will be resolved in near future after the communication. Okay, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I am here getting a lot of fire energy and earth energy. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Taurus, 6 of Cups, Queen of Cups, wow, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Your person may be spying on you on social media, definitely communication. They are coming back with solid offer, long-term commitment. Yeah, they have strong emotions and you also have emotions for your person, reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate connection with each other. Definitely, you also want reconciliation, but you are not expressing your feelings because due to past reasons, you stand by your power. This time your person have to take action. That's why you are holding back. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords, 10 of Swords, 4 of Cups. Yeah, in past they may be missed opportunity with you, but this time they don't want to miss the opportunity. 10 of Swords, some painful cycles are going to be, and between both of you, some new beginnings. And Ace of Swords, yeah, truth coming out, new and new beginnings. Honest communication I am seeing here. Knight of Swords, yeah, they're rushing towards you. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.